Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Weather has been really bad recently, so I'm going to make some nice double boil soup for my family tonight. And there is a very simpler way to make a double boil soup without going through few hours. Yeah, because traditionally, they will actually they will need to prepare some hot pot of boiling water and then put a pot inside the boiling water to boil. When you cook the soup using an indirect heat, that is what we meant by double boil. But I'm going to use steaming. Yeah, I'm going to use steaming. Now, I have some watercress with me here. I wash it, and then some carrots, some chickens chunks. You can use spare ribs also. Actually, most of outside the restaurant, they usually use spare ribs, but I don't have ribs with me. I'm using chicken. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. And some red dates, yeah, and I have the seed. So let's quickly make it very, very simple. Prepare a big bowl, yeah, with a good depth so that it can actually carry the soup nicely. First of all, I'm going to put the watercress at the bottom, and the carrots, yeah, few carrots chunks on top. The red dates, the chicken, very simple. Next thing, you're going to give it some very simple seasoning will do. Some fine salt. Oh, I heard my steamer is ready. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. This is optional. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. And then we are going to add in some filtered water. Alright, I don't mind add a little bit more. Okay, I'll still leave some space there, yeah? Don't make it too full. Next thing, we're going to close with the lid and we will send it to the steamer. So my steamer has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. Then we will put in the soup in the middle and close it, and we will steam it for approximately half an hour will do. So this is after 30 minutes steaming. Let's let go the steam. Then very carefully, we will take out the soup. Let me show you the soup. Oh! Look at how beautiful this soup turns out to be. And if you can, give it a few dashes of white pepper on top. All right, that's how simple it is to steam a soup at home. And by using this way, you get to preserve all the nature nutrition, yeah, from all the veggie and ingredient you put inside. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.